Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. So today I made a Cincinnati chili plate. It's a bit messy, but I used Italian cheese, and then I used a hoagie roll for the phony coney. And a phony coney is just like chili and cheese, like all the stuff that you get in a Waze chili. Like you can get it on your coney, and then no hot dog. Then I have strawberries, what do you call it? Strawberries and cream with a little bit of cinnamon. I just whipped this up. And to drink, I have a Powerade Zero grape. So I've been so hot. I filmed the making of the chili, but not the assembly of this plate. So let's try the coney. Mmm. That's really good. Mmm. No hot dog. Mm. I posted one of TikTok dance, and on my live I did like the night I posted it, like I did the look, like how to make the look, and then today I did how to make this look. I do lives on TikTok. So hmm, let's try the chili. Mm, it's really good. I don't know why I always use green spaghetti, and it always comes out really al dente. But to be honest, like for Cincinnati chili, I really like cream spaghetti for it. Like, you know, me personally, especially because like when I'm cooking it, I don't really need to pay a lot of attention to it. Like other spaghetti, like you need to salt it and boil it first. And I just put this in a frying pan with water, crack it in half, and turn it on. I like to add oil to it, and that's it. But home cooked chili, like this is cool. This is so cool. This is Golden Star seasoning packet. And it's a little bit spicy. I'm not sure if that's me or not. I mean, I didn't exactly like not add spice, but I didn't exactly add directly um hot chilies. You know, like even put like habanero in it or nothing. And the reason why I switched up the cheese is because, man, I love the cheese there, but I feel like I wanted a cheese flavor. I don't know if you know what I mean. Like you have your cheddars and you have your wachakas, but I like for cheese to taste just like cheese, not like, really pungent or tangy, just cheese. Sometimes I really just don't like fancy stuff, so I got this one. And it like melted right away, which is fine for my coney. I'm sure y'all eat conies all the time. I mean, there's like Coney Island. Different places have conies. Sometimes like donut spots sell conies. But I can tell when the donut spots are selling conies back where I used to live, because the coney places all lower their prices or they'll close. hmm In Texas, like if you sell a competing price product, like if something's like out of the usual ordinary, that's how like businesses react. They shut down. They shut down faster than M television. But I made this with ground turkey. So I hope you guys stay safe with all this weather. It's crazy weather. We had like an earthquake, not just in the Philippines, but Cuba. And then we've had sea swells all over the Pacific. And there's a like cyclonic activity in the Asian Pacific. And then, like I said before, we have Tropical Storm Christina in Central America. That one's crossing from the Pacific to the Gulf. It's gonna go from tropical storm, tropical depression to remnants. And it's supposed to be affecting the Texas shoreline. coming up from Mexico. So this was my game night dinner. Mm. It was really easy to make and really good. So I don't know. All in all, I like the dinner. I think I might want to switch back to the cheese, the regular cheese. But the cheese is really good. So I'm gonna try the strawberries. They smell kind of weird. Mm. This is really good. Real creamy. I like it. Hmm. It's so simple, but I don't know. It's just on point today. Mm. I'm glad I caught that sale on those strawberries because, boy, I was gonna buy strawberries anyway. And I just didn't want to buy frozen. I just don't like the look of it. They taste good. Same flavor, but I just don't like the look of it. And I think for like this dish, like, mm-mm. I think it has to be fresh. Because it just doesn't taste the same. They say that a lot about a lot of Mexican dishes. Like, if you don't use fresh ingredients, mm-mm, it's not going to taste the same. I want to taste the cream. It just tastes like cream. I'm done. Let me get the last piece. Mm. So, thank you guys for watching. This is my game night recipe that I made, and I will upload the recipes to you. That way you guys can have that at your home too. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. My Sunday front. Bye-bye.